Hi, I'm Ian Griffith. I'm the District Sales Manager for Keystone, Fuzion, and Impact. I'm here today to introduce our new 379 platform. The 379 is our first floor plan with an outdoor kitchen. It also introduces cross-conversational seating on a tandem axle, has a east-west bedroom platform, 11-foot garage, and a bath and a half. Come with me and let's take a look. Our 379 platform has allowed us to offer our first cross-conversational seating on a tandem axle chassis. We also have a new fireplace redesigned for this year, and the addition of a pull-out sofa offering increased sleeping capacity. The kitchen in the 379 features solid surface countertops with ample countertop space. The shape of this kitchen is determined by the half bath behind this wall. The kitchen slide in the 379 is unique in its depth, allows for a clear space above the cooktop with no interference from the microwave, allowing you to put whatever size cooking vessel you want on the stove. We also utilize, as all Fuzions, the 18 cubic foot Norcold refrigerator. The 379 features a residential size shower with glass door, dual entry, and a porcelain bowl toilet. Every Fuzion floor plan this year features an east-west bed deck. The east-west bed deck allows for an 80-inch long king mattress, ample underbed storage, increased wardrobe size, and washer and dryer prep. Moving the washer and dryer prep to the bedroom means that when you purchase an 11-foot garage, you never have to worry about losing 2 feet of your garage to a washer and dryer. The garage in the 379 is a full 11 feet. It features 38 points of contact that are all welded to the frame and are rated at 5,000 pounds each. We have our half bath back in the garage that doesn't take up any of the garage space, as well as our electric dual opposing sofas and additional queen bed. Thanks again for checking out the Fuzion 379. We have the same floor plan available in a larger chassis we call the 428. The 428 increases the garage size to 13 feet, the sofa slide to 3 seats, and includes a 30-inch walk-in pantry. I appreciate your interest in the floor plan, and if you have any more questions or need any other information, you can find it at keystonerv.com/Fuzion.